Hey, this is Landon Schropp from Unraveling Flexbox, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run the example code on OS X. Now what you're looking at here is a brand new, fresh installation of OS X El Capitan. So if something doesn't work on your computer, chances are pretty good that something else you've installed is interfering with it. The examples for the book are powered by Middleman, a static site generator that makes it easy to build HTML and CSS websites. Since the examples use auto-prefixer in Sass, Middleman was the easiest way for me to package everything up so that it could be installed on any machine. There are several ways to view the source code. The first is on GitHub. Here, you can navigate to source and browse all of the files in the project. If straight HTML and CSS is more your thing, then you can download a compiled build file by navigating to unravelingflexbox.com/downloads/build. You can browse the hosted examples at example.unravelingflexbox.com. Finally, you can download the source code and run the examples yourself. The examples for this project have 4 major dependencies: Ruby, Git, Node.js, and Bundler. The first 3 we can install with a tool called Homebrew. To install it, we just copy this line here and paste it into Terminal. When we run this command, we'll be prompted to install the command line developer tools as well. Let's go ahead and do that. This process can take a few minutes, but I'll go ahead and fast forward through it. Next, we'll press the return key so the Homebrew installation can continue. It'll prompt you to enter your password, and Homebrew will download and install itself. The next step is to use Homebrew to install Ruby, Git, and Node.js. You can do that by typing in brew install ruby git node. Once those dependencies are installed, close and reopen your terminal window for them to take effect. The last system dependency to install is Bundler, which will allow us to install the dependencies for the project. You can install Bundler by running gem install bundler. Now we need to download the project source code. To do that, navigate to the project page on GitHub. And then over here, under the HTTPS clone URL, copy what's in the box. In Terminal, make sure that you're in a directory where you want to download the files. In our case, I'll download them at desktop. And then run git clone and paste in the URL you copied from GitHub. Next, change into the repository you downloaded by running cd unraveling flexbox. Use Bundler to install the project's gem dependencies by running bundle install. Once again, this can take a while, so I'll fast forward. You can start the example server by running bundle exec middleman. If everything's set up correctly, you can navigate to localhost 4567 to view the examples. Now that the example server is running, you can make changes to the files you downloaded and they'll show up. If If you'd like, you can run a second middleman server at the same time by specifying a different port. Here, I've started up a server on port 8000. If I want to view that second server, I just navigate to localhost 8000. And that's it. Enjoy the examples, and welcome to Unraveling Flexbox.